Moe Coelho Porcelain is a subdivision of Sudbury Granite and Marble, with 21 years of experience serving New England. We work with commercial and residential clients from hotels to offices, universities, retail stores, and more. With a wide variety of modern and elegant colors available in full slabs, our products include kitchen and bathroom countertops, shower walls, outdoors, living spaces, fireplaces, whatever your project requires. Long-lasting porcelain is inspired by European trends and is the most versatile product Moe Coelho has to offer. Our team is qualified to delivering a high-quality job to our New England community. Our fabrication facility has over 20,000 square feet with the most up-to-date equipment. We invite and encourage you to come into our facility and view how we turn porcelain slabs into beautiful works of art. With tradition, experience, and technology, Moe Coelho executes your project with excellence, sophistication, and the perfection you expect. Porcelain Countertops, luxury and elegance.